Guys, we are starting another Tesla Model S Plaid vinyl wrap project. This time it's a shop car. We even changed the little image, the little icon of our Tesla inside to pink already, just because, you know. This is really cool. We have not done this color yet. It's always fun to see a first time color, especially on the Plaid. But before we actually get started on putting new vinyl film on here, as you can see, we are disassembling some of the trim pieces. That way we can wrap around it cleanly. One thing about this color that really surprised me was how much classier it made the Plaid look. What's really neat too is that this is a very similar color to a color option that Porsche has for the Taycan called Frozen Berry. Like all of Inozetek's wrap colors, there's a lot of depth in this color. In the garage you see more of the silvery hue, but outside you get more of the light pink coming through, and even some angles it looks a little rose gold when the sun is directly on the finish. And I really like that because it sort of reminds me of how the S can be so easily moldable to however you want it to look. It can look classy, it can look sporty, especially with the black trims, and it can look soft or it can look mean, and having a wrap color that's so adaptable makes it really special. For the wheels, we have Boston HF5 wheels in 21s, custom made in satin black, which ties everything perfectly together. Hope you guys like that wrap project. We got a lot more wrap projects coming up, so stick around. We actually are working on one right now. If you want us to wrap your car, hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. We will see you next time.
Don't bring your car here because we don't want to wrap.
That's not true.
That's true.
Is it?
If your name's 50 Cent, come to us.